everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about the American Crew Defining Paste. I got this for my son and my husband. They both use it. My son's hair is really fine and really light, and I have it. Sometimes he has really long hair, sometimes he has short hair, and it has worked great to style both different lengths. My husband's the same. He just cut off all of his long hair. He used it with his long hair, and now he's using it with his short, and it works perfectly for both. It is this white paste, and it's a really pliable texture, so you can really mess with your hair and move it and make it the way that you want. The white, once you rub it into your hands or your fingertips, it's not gonna show. My husband has really dark hair, and this doesn't show up as white or any color. It just goes in smoothly and you can't see it. This smells super amazing. I always tell my husband every time he uses it that his hair smells so good. It is nourishing and moisturizing as well. It does have a low shine finish, so your hair is not going to be super shiny or look like it has gel in it. It's just something that's going to mold it into the place that you want it. It is a 3-ounce jar and it lasts forever. You do not have to use much. You just put a little bit on your fingertips, rub it together, and then run it through your dry hair and style it how you want. If you're in the market for something like this, if you have short hair, or you have a son, or your husband needs something like this has been one of the best hair products I've found for men's hair. So I would highly recommend this, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.